and math is all that is surrounding you. Math is so much more than 2 plus 2. You can understand it. Take that number and divide it. Math was made for me and you.
Let's go over all the calc commands. All right. So now that you've appreciated that we did it by hand with that chart, the first thing is on your graphing calculator, enter the data by pressing the button stat. Then you're going to select edit and then enter all your data into a list. Now you can choose list 1, list 2, list 3, whatever you want. And then you're going to press stat again, calc on the menu, and then select var-stats. And then you're going to press enter. Okay, those are the step-by-steps, and then we're going to get this calculator screen. And when we get a calculator screen, I kind of want to tell you what each of these mean. This first one over here, this one is going to be the mean or average. This one in orange is going to be the sum of the values in your list. Sum, or adding them all up. Sum of the values. This is sum of the squares. Sum of the squares. Okay, this one is the sample. Standard deviation. Okay, for the problems that we're doing, we're looking actually for this one. So I start it, and this one is our, well, I guess we're trying to find two. We're trying to find the mean, oops, the blue one, and the, this is called the population standard deviation. And the only difference on the formula that we're using on the previous problem when you guys were doing it by hand is that the formula was divided by n minus 1. This one you're just dividing by n. That's how you would do those problems in the previous one. And then over here, we might learn it later. I'll just tell you these are the, not for our lesson, but these are called a 5-number summary. And that helps you create a box plot. Okay? All right, so let's do this example number 2 here. All right, the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to my calculator, Graph and Calc 83. I'm using the iPad, and I'm going to press clear on the far right there, and then I'm going to press stat, which is next to the left arrow key. Then it tells us to press edit, or you can press number 1. And then it says enter all your data into your list. Now you see the cursors on that 2.2, and I have a bunch of stuff in there, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to clear everything out. So you go and highlight the L1 and press clear. Again, let's press enter. Go on to top of list 1, press clear, then enter. Okay. And you're just going to put in the numbers. 26, enter. 12, enter. 15, 20, 17, 19. And the nice thing is you look at there, it says list 1 7th. That means it's the 7th number. And this will kind of help you double check just in case you make a mistake inputting your numbers. Okay, now that I have all of my data, I'm going to press Stat, which is next to the left arrow key. I'm going to press Calc now. Do you see how it's highlighted on Edit? But I'm going to press Calc. And then I'm going to click var-stats. Now it's going to give me a calculator command here on the home screen. And the default is L1. The default is L1. And if you just press Enter, it'll actually give you your answers. You don't have to designate the list that you put it into. Now this is what we were talking about. Okay, the first number, X bar, is the mean or average. That is what we wanted. And the population standard deviation is the one we wanted. It kind of looks like ox, but it's a Greek symbol there, so that would be 3.7. Tell us where to round, but I'll round to the nearest tenth. This is my mean. And then we said that the population standard deviation was 3.7. Population standard deviation.
Finding yourself bored and numb? Well, no worries, cause now you can get the all-new InkPods. So now you can listen to math on the go or on the road. So why stall? Get the all-new InkPods today.